Now today what we are going to do is we are going to solve some problems. Okay. So I hope you people are having that test book with you, right? So what formula we have studied till now? Only one formula, that is shift in center of gravity is equal to W into T by capital W final. Where small w is the weight which is added, removed or shifted. D is the distance. Now which distance? For adding and subtracting, it is the distance between the center of gravity of the ship to the center of gravity of the weight which is added or discharged. And capital W final is the displacement of the ship, either after removing or adding the weight to the ship. Okay. Now open page number 52, the first example. Okay. I'll dictate the problem, those who are not having the textbook. In a vessel of 12,000 ton displacement, in a vessel means ship. In the vessel of 12,000 ton displacement, kg is 9 meter. Now what is this kg? Distance from the keel to center of gravity of the ship. 200 tons of cargo is shifted from upper deck to the lower hold. Okay. And upper deck kg is given as 12 meter and the lower hold kg is given as 2 meter. Find the new kg. Okay.
Sir, which page number you are saying? I am on 52.
Page number 52, example 1. Page
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. So in the vessel of 12,000 ton displacement, 200 tons of cargo is shifted from the top to bottom. You have to find a new kg and the different kg values are given. Okay, this is the problem. First, what I'll do, I'll write down the data. In the vessel of 12,000 ton displacement, that is capital W is equal to 12,000 ton. You people can see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
The second thing is 200 tons of cargo is shifted from the upper deck to lower hold. So small w is 200 tons. Okay. Now always remember in this type of problem, kg problems or GG1 problem, whenever these kg values are given, do not put it in the data, but instead of that, put it in the diagram. I'll show you the diagram. This is the transverse sea of the ship. Okay. This is my center line. Right. Now it is saying something about the upper deck and lower hold. So I'm just showing you upper deck means I'm showing you it is the main deck. This is my upper deck. And this is my lower, somewhere over here is the lower hold. Lower hold, I can say it is a tank top of the ship. I hope you people remember what is tank top.
Yes,
So
sir.
upper deck is the one platform and the lower hold is one more platform near the bottom. This is, you can simply say, okay, this is what. Now I'll write down the kg data in the problem. It is saying the ship displacement kg is 9 meter. That is ship's kg. This is my keel point. The ship's kg. This is my G point. Now the ship's kg is 9 meter. Okay. 200 tons of cargo is shifted from the upper deck to lower hold, and upper deck kg is given as 12 meter. That means suppose this is my 200 ton cargo, green color. So upper kg, so distance from the keel to the center of gravity, this one, till the deck is 12 meter. Green color what I have shown. Okay. Now this cargo is shifted to the lower hold, kg is 2 meter. So I'll show in the other color. Suppose it is shifted to lower hold now, this red color. Now it is shifted to the lower hold, and this kg is given as how much it is? 2 meter. Okay. Now you have to find the new kg. Now what is the meaning of new kg is find kg1. This is my question. That is new. This is my new kg. This is, see, the standard is same for all the problems, so you can just remember the steps. New kg means what? Find kg1. Okay. So what you required in the formula, w is given, distance you should find it out, and w final you should know. Okay. Now what is W final over here? See, 12,000 ton, and this problem is shifted. So shifted means W final equal to W, right? So one term you are already having. The small w is already given as 200 ton. Now next what you require is the distance. Okay. Now whenever you are shifting, what is the meaning of D? D is the distance from how much I have shifted the cargo. Now if you see this diagram, if you see it brought from the upper deck to lower hold. So it is brought from main deck to tank top. So what is this total distance from lower hold to upper deck? What is the total
9
distance?
meters, sir. 9 meter. 10 meters, sir.
10 meters, sir.
10
Yes,
10
meters.
it
meters.
is 10. Yes, so D distance is equal to, I require the distance between the how much weight I have shifted. If you see this, I bought from 12 minus 2, so this total distance is 10. So total distance where I shifted the cargo is 10 meter. Now the distance value you should get it from the diagram. That is the best easy way rather than thinking what you are doing in the problem, right? So distance I got W, I got capital W. So I can find a G1 over here. G1 is how much shifted. Is W into D upon capital W. So I'll substitute the value. 200 multiplied by distance of 10 meter, displacement is 12,000. So how much is my shift in center of gravity? 200 multiplied by 10 divided by 12,000.
1 by 6.
Yes, 0.16 meter. Okay. Now next thing you should understand, I have bought the cargo from the upper deck to lower hold. So where my G will shift, whether it will go on deck side or it will come to bottom side.
The deck
Bottom
side.
side.
Bottom.
Yes. So bottom side. So this is my G1 point. Right? This is my G1 point. So initially it was at G, it came to G1. So what is kg1? So this is my question, right? This is not my answer, final answer. It is only how much it is shifted. So my question is find kg1, right? This is my question. So kg1 is kg minus gg1. Always remember, always a simple tip I can give you. Whenever my G is coming down, this will be minus. And whenever G is going up, it will be plus. Very simple. Okay. So now G came down. So Kg minus Gg1. Right? So I want Kg1. Understand from the figure itself. So total minus the Gg1 I do, I'll get the Kg1. Right? So how much initial Kg of the ship is given? Initial Kg of the ship is given as 9 meter. Minus what is Gg1? 0.16 meter. So it will be
8.84.
8.8 meter.
Yes, sir.
So this is my new kg1 or new kg. New kg it is also called as kg1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Original kg is kg and new kg means kg1. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt or I'll go for next problem.
Next problem.
Okay, this is the same example on the page number 52. I am not talking about the PDF page number 52. I am talking about the book page number 52. PDF page 52 will be different because they are having some starting 4 or 5 pages.
PDF page number is 61, sir.
Okay. We'll move to the next problem. Okay. I'll show you on the textbook also. If you see, it is better or I'll dictate. Second problem. In the vessel of 7850 ton displacement, the ship displacement is given as 7,850, comma, kg is given as 8.4 meter. This is the kg of the ship, original location of center of gravity of the ship. That is kg is given as 8.4 meter, comma, 150 tons of cargo, 150 tons of cargo is loaded on the upper deck. 150 tons of cargo is loaded on the upper deck. bracket kg is of the upper deck is given as 10 meter, kg 10 meter. Find the final kg. The problem is saying that my ship displacement is 7850 and 150 tons of cargo is loaded on the upper deck. Okay, so you have to find the final kg. Can I solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, I'll write down the data. A vessel of 7850 ton displacement. So W is equal to 7850 ton displacement. Okay. Kg is 8.4. What I said, kg, write it only in the diagram. So 150
Yes.
tons of cargo, 150 tons of cargo is loaded. So small w is equal to 150 ton.
Means final weight is
Okay.
150 plus 7850.
Yes. So W final, see, whenever I'm adding or discharging the weight, the W final will change.
Plus or minus.
Previous problem, it was shifted, so it remains the same. But loading means now I have to add it. So W final is equal to 7850 plus 150 equal to 8000 ton.
8,000 tons.
8000 ton is one data I got. Second data I have to see now. I have to find the distance from the diagram and all the kg value I have to plot in the diagram. So I am drawing the diagram. If possible, just draw it little bigger. This is my center line. This is my k value, right? This is my g value. What is the question is saying? It is saying something like loaded on the upper deck. They did not mention anything for the. They did not mention anything for lower hold. So I'll show you only on the upper deck. I loaded some cargo on the upper deck. Initial kg of the ship is 8.4 meter. So this distance is 8.4 meter. Okay. And upper kg, upper deck kg is given as 10 meters. So this distance is given as 10 meter. Okay, fine. Okay, this is what I have done. Now you tell me what can be the distance. Now whenever there is adding or discharging the weight, distance is the distance between the center of gravity of the ship to the center of gravity of the object. Now what is this distance? Understood what I'm talking? For adding or discharging?
1.6.
Adding or discharging, distance is the distance between the center of gravity of the ship to the center of gravity of the object. So if I want this only this distance, it is total minus this. So 10 minus 8.4,
1.6.
1.6 meter. So distance I got, W I know, small w I know, so I can find. And my question is find what? New kg. That means kg1 is my question. Okay. So I'll write the formula. First I'll find gg1, how much it is shifted. gg1 is equal to w into d by capital W, right? So I'll substitute. W is 150. Final, right? 150 into what is the distance? 1.6 divided by W final is 8000. So 150 multiplied by 1.6 divided by 8000.
0.03, sir.
0.03 meter. So now you should understand the next thing. Now what the question is saying, 150 tons of cargo is loaded on the upper deck. That means G will go on the top side or it will come to bottom side?
Top side, sir.
Top side.
So G1. Right, it will go to G1. So therefore, new kg equal to kg1 is equal to how much
Plus
it is? Kg, yes.
kg1 plus
Gg1. Why plus? Because it is moving on the top side. The kg plus Gg1. What is the initial kg of the ship was given? 8.4.
8.4.
And what is Gg1 you got? 0.03. So it's come to 8.43 meters. Understood? Very simple. From diagram,
Yes,
you should able, you should understand where my G is shifting. Second thing, you should understand what should be my distance. And whether it is plus or minus, these three things you have, if you understand, the problems are very simple. Okay.
So always we are adding small w plus capital W.
No, this problem is the cargo is loaded. That's why it is plus. That's why I made plus over here.
Okay.
Since the question is cargo is loaded. If cargo was discharged, it will be minus plus.
Okay, sir.
And if it is shifted, it will remain the same.
Yes, if it's shifted, it remains the same, just like a previous problem. Okay. So can we move to third one?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way of presenting the answer of these questions.
Huh?
So this is the way of presenting this type of questions answers.
Yes. Yes. First, this is what I said previously. First, what you have to do, you have to write the data. Second thing, you have to write the formula. Third thing, you have to do the substitution. Fourth one, final answer with the unit. And if there is a diagram, if diagram is there, it is well and good because it is easy to understand. If you don't draw the diagram, it is quite confusing when to plus and when to minus.
That's right, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, can we move to third one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the third problem. If you are having the textbook page number 53, the third example. I'll dictate it.
And
Yes.
PDF page number 62.
I'll dictate it. In the ship of 12,300 ton displacement, 12300 ton displacement, comma, kg is given as 10 meter. This is kg is for ship. Kg is given as 10 meter, comma, 300 tons of cargo is discharged now. Okay. 300 tons of cargo is discharged from lower hold. 300 tons of cargo is discharged from lower hold. Bracket, kg is 2 meters. Now this kg is of lower hold. Right? Find the final kg. Find the final kg. So I'll start the problem. First, what I'll do, I'll write down the data. The ship of 12,300 ton displacement. So the capital W is equal to 12,300 tons. Kg is given as 10 meter. 300 tons of cargo is discharged. So small w is equal to 300 tons. Now it is saying that it is discharged. So W final will change. So W final is W minus W. Right? So 12,300 minus 300 is equal to 12,000 tons. Right? Now, next thing what I'll do, I'll draw the diagram. Better if possible, just draw it little bigger. So it is easy to put the values. This is my center line. Now it is showing some upper deck and lower hold. So I'm taking in the lower hold. Now this is my upper deck. This is my lower hold. Okay, now and this is my center of gravity of the ship. How much it is given? Kg is 10 meter. Initial ship center of gravity is given as 10 meter. And what is the question? 300 tons of cargo is discharged from the lower hold. So there was a 300 tons of cargo which is discharged from the lower hold. Okay, and this one given as 2 meters. Okay. So now I'll find the what? Next thing I'll find the distance. Now whenever there is adding or discharging the weight, distance is the distance between the center of gravity of the ship to the center of gravity of the object. So if you see from the diagram, how much it is? What is the distance between these two?
8 meter.
8 meters.
10 minus 2, which is 8 meters. This is the first thing I have found. The second thing, what is my question? Find new kg. Means kg1 I have to find. So I'll write the formula first. Gg1 is equal to W into D upon capital W. Now Gg1 you should, again I'm telling you, Gg1 is the shift in center of gravity. Okay, how much it is? This is not my final answer. So what is the small w is given as 300. What is the distance I shifted? What is the distance between this? Is 8 meter. Upon counted capital W final. Capital W final is 12,000. So 300 multiplied by 8 divided by 12,000. How much it will be? It will be 2400.
0.2, sir.
Yes, 0.2 meter. This is my shift in center of gravity. Now you should tell me where it is shifted. Now just listen. Yes, it is saying cargo was discharged from the lower hold. So cargo is removed from the lower. So where my G will go?
Sir,
On top?
upwards.
Yes, it will go on up top side. Right? Because I have removed the cargo from the lower side, that means G will go on the top side. Right? So therefore, new kg is equal to kg. Now it going on top side, that means it become plus. Right? So what is original kg of the ship is given as 10, and how much is shift it is G to G1? 0.2 you have found it out. So answer is 10.2 meter. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Only from this you should, first thing you should understand to put the kg value. From this kg value you can able to find what is my distance. Second thing, if adding or discharging W also you can find it out whether it is plus minus or it is same. Okay. And finding where my G is shifting, it is going on top or bottom, depending upon it, it will be plus or minus over here. Okay.